Morning, Abotai. Yesterday we spoke about the fact that Shemita, cancels loans at the end of Shvi'it, which is coming right up. This coming Rosh Hashanah, Shvi'it is going to be over and it's going to cancel loans. There are nevertheless some loans that Shvi'it doesn't cancel. There is a Gemara, there's a Mishnah in Masechet Shvi'it, quoted by the Gemara in Masechet Makot, Hamalveh et chavero le'eser shanim. If a person gives his friend a long-term loan for 10 years, now obviously if you lend money for 10 years, there's going to be a Shemitah in between, because Shemitah is every 7. The Halacha is that Shvi'it does not cancel that loan. Since the loan is not due for repayment by the time Shvi'it ends, it does not cancel the loan. That does not require a prosbon. Same thing, Rabotai, even if it's not a long-term loan. Let's say it's a short-term loan. Let's say it's for a year. Let's say it's for 2 years, or even less. It doesn't matter. But the date of repayment is after Shemitah. For instance, let's say a person has a year loan. He gave a loan this year to be repaid, I don't know what, Aleph Becheshvan Tafshin Pegimal, this coming year. The date of repayment is after Shvi'it is over. Shvi'it does not cancel such a loan. The rule is that Shemitah only cancels loans that are outstanding, that are due for repayment by the time that Shvi'it ends. So, which means if the loan is already collectible now, let's say it's already due for repayment now, and for whatever reason the person didn't collect it yet, only those kind of loans are canceled by Shvi'it. What happens many times, if a person does not give a date for repayment, let's say we're friends, and you gave a loan, and you didn't tell him a specific date to pay it back. The halacha is, the Gemara tells us, Stam halva'a sheloshim yom, which means any time you don't set a date for repayment, in general, the default for that, we learned it out from Psukim, is that it's 30 days. 30 days is the loan. Therefore, the halacha would be, let's say a person loans money to a friend now, during Chodesh Elul, without giving a date for repayment. Over there, Shemitah doesn't cancel that loan. Why? Because if I give him a date today, if I give him a loan today, when does Shvi'it cancel? When is the loan due for repayment? Slicha, only in 30 days. 30 days is after Rosh Hashanah. 30 days is after the Shemitah already ended, so Shemitah doesn't cancel that loan. Only if I gave him a loan within 30 days, meaning more than 30 days before the Shemitah is over, which means Rosh Chodesh Elul or before, then the halacha is that Shvi'it will cancel the loan if it's a loan without a repayment date, because Stam halva'a shloshim yom, it has to be repaid within 30 days. B'ezrat Hashem, in the coming days we'll speak more. Yom Tov.